cutting-edge cancer research is at a critical moment. As federal funding faces uncertainty, San Diego-based Curebound is stepping in, fueling millions into breakthrough science, expanding clinical trials, and fast-tracking hope for patients. And Curebound just announced that Pink will headline this year's Concert for Cures at Petco Park next month. Ticket sales fund cutting-edge adult and pediatric cancer research. Joining us now to talk more about it, our CEO, Robin Toft, and Chief Science Advisor, Ezra Cohen. Guys, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Robin, I'll start with you. Curebound is stepping in while federal funding is getting tighter. How critical is this moment for cancer research, and what's at risk if organizations like yours don't step in?
It couldn't be more critical. It's now more than ever is important to fund cancer research. Donors are really the bridge between, our motto here is to accelerate research and save lives. So we invest in the best and brightest scientists here on the Mesa in collaborative research projects to actually accelerate progress.
Ezra, you're the science side, so Curebound invests in everything from early detection to personalized immunotherapy. So where are you seeing the most exciting breakthroughs right now?
I think in a number of places, and really importantly, places where other funding organizations don't go. So high-risk research in very hard-to-treat cancers like pancreatic cancer and ovarian cancer. You mentioned childhood cancers. But the key is also that what we've tried to do from the beginning is get those advances to patients as quickly as possible. So we want to make a change in how people are treated, how they're managed, how their caregivers are reacting to their cancer, and get those advances, as Robin said, to people to make a difference in their lives. And we need to do that fast.
Out of the lab into a patient's treatment. How do you do that quicker? How are you able to do that whereas other people might not be able to?
Yeah, and that's the secret sauce. And that's why we started Curebound here in San Diego, because San Diego has the collaborative culture and the model that works. 6 amazing academic cancer institutions that do the research. Bring that together with the biotech that exists here already, and we have all the tools that are necessary to go from that laboratory to patients in a rapid way and make real differences.
You guys, Robin, have raised a lot of money, and it's gone to, so much research and accelerating breakthroughs. Can you talk to us a little bit about that?
Yes, we've raised $51 million and invested in cancer research across 170 studies to date.
Wow.
And now we're really showing significant impact. One of our great measures of impact is follow-on funding, which we have demonstrated is at least 3x, which means that if we invest in a young research team with a brilliant idea that is a collaborative team across research institutes, which is part of our model, then typically they can originate additional funding to continue their research so they can actually stay here committed to this research in their lab from other sources, from public sources such as venture capitalists and others.
So I love the secret sauce, what you're talking about. It takes a lot of minds to get something, to try to solve something like cancer, my God. But let's talk about this big fundraiser that you've got coming up, the big concert. It's exciting. Last year you had Elton John. This year you have Pink. And so how many tickets are available?
Oh my gosh, so we have 37,000 people at the minimum coming to see
awesome.
Pink for a cancer fundraiser that is beyond anything that San Diego has seen before. Again, last year we had Elton John. We are a community-funded cancer research accelerator, and so this event is a huge occasion to bring the community together to actually celebrate the work that's being done and to originate really significant funding to continue this work.
So tickets are on sale right now, and they start at only only $75 because tickets for concerts now are so expensive. That is so doable.
Yes, this is a benefit concert. So we also have VIP and premier tables all over the floor of Petco.
Awesome.
It's a pink carpet experience. It's going to be Pink in a 2-hour high-flying performance, flying over our heads. And I think everyone in that entire stadium will have a really remarkable experience. We're going to have survivors in the audience and just an exceptional, exceptional experience. It's not a traditional concert. It's really a VIP experience.
Where can you get tickets? Right here on curebound.org. We'll push people to that on our website.
And
also.
on Ticketmaster and
Okay.
Live Nation.
All right, guys, thanks so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us.
Thank
Thanks
you
so
for having us.